A, B, C, D, E, F, S, H.
A is for alligator.
Wow! Let's learn!
Yay! Great job!
B for ball.
B for ball.
Great job. Let's find more B words.
C for cat. Cat. Yes, very good. I love cats. Me too.
D for dog.
Dog.
E for elephant.
Wow, an elephant.
Let's all say it together.
E.
F for fish.
Wow, a fish.
Yes, F is for fish. Great job.
G for goat. Goat. Yay, goat. H for hen. Look, a hen. Hi, hen. Cool. Hen. Cluck, cluck.
I is for ice cream.
Ice cream. Yes. Point to the ice cream. Yay.
J for juice. Look at the J.
J. Juice.
K for kite.
Wow, a kite. It's flying.
L for lion.
L for lion.
Roar!
Great job, everyone.
Okay, class. M is M for monkey. That's right. Great job.
N for nest.
Nest. N for nest.
Very good. N is for nest.
O for orange. O for orange. Very good.
P for panda. Look.
P. Hi there.
Hello, friends!
Yay, great job. Today is the letter Q for queen. Q for queen. Wow, a queen.
Okay, class. Let's learn the letter
R is rocket. Look. Wow, a rocket. S for sun.
Yes, this is the letter S.
A smiling sun. Yay.
T for train.
Wow, a train.
What sound does T make?
Tuh.
U for umbrella.
U, umbrella.
It's go.
V for van. Wow, a real van. Yes, V for van. Good job.
W for whale.
Wow, whale. So cool.
Yes, wave hello.
Whale.
X is for xylophone.
Xylophone.
Let's play the xylophone.
Yay.
Y for yacht.
Wow, a real yacht. So cool. Look at it move.
Z for zebra.
Zebra.
Wow, a zebra.
Yes, our friend the zebra. So cool.
Bye-bye, kids. I am going now. Take good care of yourselves. See you in the next class.